Starting an online business was the best decision I ever made. Think about it. If you are stuck in a regular 9-to-5 job, what happens? You get paid a salary at the end of the month, no matter how hard you work, right? But how about promotions? Your salary raise. Maybe once every 2 to 3 years, if you are lucky. And even then, it's a tiny bump. 5%, 7%, maybe 10% if you are really good at doing your job. And that's the cycle you are stuck in, right? Your salary is always capped. Let's say if you are making $3,000 per month salary, how long will it take you to get to making $30,000 a month from your 9-to-5 job? Maybe never. So to make more money, you need an extra income source. And that's why you hear about side hustles. But many side hustles are expensive and time consuming, especially if you do offline side hustles. So that's why you see people are building a side hustle online. The internet has so many options like e-commerce, selling on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, you name it. But instead of selling physical products, I discovered affiliate digital marketing. It's a $300 billion industry by 2025, where you sell digital products online like courses, tools, software, digital platforms. The best part is, with digital products, the profit margins are super high. And you don't need to deal with any inventory or shipping. You don't even need to create your own digital products. You simply let other people do all the hard work for you, okay? You can find affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus. Just grab a link, promote it. And when someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission directly from the network. It's that simple, okay? And since it's international, you can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, or check. Whatever works for you. Anyone from anywhere in the world can really do this. But the key is to become a good marketer. I simply create 1 or sometimes 2 free ads like this every day and upload them to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and you can do the same, okay? This industry changed my life. I quit my vehicle parts delivery job in 2021, 10x my previous salary, and even retired my mom and bought her a small apartment last year. That was my dream come true, okay? If you are interested, and if you want to know the exact digital platform I'm using to make 5 figures per month, make sure you follow me and comment me too down below, and I'll share with you my latest free training to teach you how to do this as well. Let's go.